Welcome to another iDfish tutorial, how to use the alphabetical listing. The alphabetical listing is the default screen once you have passed the login process. If you are in another part of the application, you can get to the alphabetical listing very quickly by selecting the A to Z list button on the function menu. This button can be found at the bottom of the screen when the device is held in the portrait orientation. The alphabetical listing will display all species in the application in order of default common name. You will see the default common name in bold text in the top left-hand corner of each fish listing. Just below this is the scientific name of the species. You can scroll through the list by sliding your finger up or down the screen to the fish species that you were looking for. If you want to jump to a species that starts with a particular letter, then you can simply press or slide your finger on or along the index bar at the right of the screen. The index bar is used to get you into the ballpark of the fish you are looking for. Another method to find a fish on the alphabetical list is to use the search field at the top of the screen. You can search by any common name, part name, or scientific name. For example, to find a pink snapper in the list, I can type in the name snap. The list of fish is reduced to all species that have snap either in their default common name, other common name, or scientific name. You will notice that the first fish in the list is the red bass. If we drill into the red bass, you will see that one of the other common names is the boa snapper. This is why the fish is appearing in the list under snap. This isn't the fish we are looking for, so we will press the back button and scroll down the list until we see the pink snapper, which is listed as snapper pink. If you want to list the fish differently in your alphabetical listing, you can drill into the fish and change the common name to one of the other common names listed. In this case, I'm going to change the fish common name to knobby. By pressing the back button and clearing the search filter at the top of the screen, I can use the index bar to select N in the fish list. And hey presto, the pink snapper is now listed as knobby. To the right of the fish thumbnail is the fish count. This tells you how many fish of that species you currently have and the maximum number you are allowed to catch on a single trip. This number will vary depending on which region you have selected. In this tutorial, we have New South Wales selected. You can see your current region selection here. The star is your favourite selection. The addition sign is to add fish to your current trip. These features are explained in later tutorials. Thanks for watching and tight lines to all.